Good morning and welcome to SirToshi's Bitcoin Chart Show. This is the Bitcoin forecast, the strength of the system, the health of the network, where we find out what's up with what is going down. Today's date is Saturday, the 18th of June, 2022. Without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. BuyBSV.live, the best place to buy Bitcoin SV online, the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin. Right, let's get into it. Look at this Coolcoin BTC SegWit protocol, economically worthless. Just literally tanked down to 19,400. I think it's actually gone lower than that now, but that's the price registering on CoinDance. Oh my goodness me. So for anybody new joining in, the reason I call it Coolcoin is because Blockstream segregated the signatures on the 24th of August 2017, meaning there are no digital signatures attached to the transaction data, which means you can't legally prove you sent the transaction, which means it can't be used as money because there's no legal recourse in the trade. It's absolutely ridiculous and economically worthless. So the price that you're seeing, 19,400, is a speculative price because the fundamental value is zero, precisely. So let's get into the figures of Bitcoin then. Again, we'll leave all these security offerings. Can't be bothered with Coolcoin BTC or Bcrash. What a joke, because they're deleting transactions. Fisher Price Cash, I just can't be bothered wasting my breath. I'll call it Fisher Price Cash just to give it some derogatory term. But let's have a look at Bitcoin then. So this is the original protocol, goes right back to the Genesis block. It hasn't changed, making it the real Bitcoin, the true Bitcoin, the genuine Bitcoin. And the world's first and only ever digital commodity, backed by the value of data sovereignty, making it the most valuable commodity on Earth. So let's have a look at this. We've got Bitcoin at $53. Amazing that you can pick up Bitcoin for $53. Hash rate 0.25. Oh, it's gone down from 0.4, but that's all right. Remember, hash rate is vanity. Block size is sanity when it comes to Bitcoin. Network nodes 0.5, transactions 86.5, block size though 98.63. Remember, these are data management networks. It is the transactions that upload the data, it is the network nodes that process the transactions, it's the hash rate that cracks SHA-256, and it's the hash rate that's attracted to the price, but everything goes back to data flowing on the chain. Can you see what's going to happen? Don't say I wasn't trying to educate you. Right, let's have a look at these blocks coming through then. Look at the 103 straight out of the box. 155 is looking good. 187, 656. So just slightly over half a gigabyte block there. What have we got on Coolcoin? I can see, they've got a 2 megabyte block. Well done. And Rogers coin, Bcrash, a 1.5 megabyte. Look at that. And we've got a 656 megabyte block in the column here. There is literally no comparison. Hash rate, look at that. So hash rate on Bitcoin going up sort of seems to kind of sequence is similar to Bcrash, but hash rate follows price, follows value, follows utility, follows creativity, initiative and intelligence. If you are intelligent and you apply creativity and initiative, you can make something useful. When something is useful, it can then create value. When it creates value, it can then develop a price. When it develops a price, it can then be measured against the cost of other goods and services and used as a medium of exchange. Boom, next. Proof of work by network, again, it's all coming over to Bitcoin because the other chains just simply won't exist. Look at this, it's 10,439 times cheaper to transact on Bitcoin than Coolcoin, and it's smashing these other shitcoin security offerings out of the water. It's 4.7% more profitable to mine on SV. Again, quite looking forward to seeing the hash rate because it's the hash rate that increases competition, which makes it more or less profitable. So we'll see how much SBI Crypto and other miners have had to increase their hash rate. Daily average Bitcoin block size by network, look at that. Bitcoin absolutely smashing it. Transactions by network, Bitcoin winning. Transactions per block by network, Bitcoin winning. Fees USD, that's transaction fees going down. That's good. Fee SirToshi's going down. Fee to block reward ratio on the way up. That's what we want. Look at this daily accumulated Bitcoin blockchain growth by network. Let's have a look at this. Absolutely sensational stuff. There we go. If you wonder what the price is going to look, this is 4.19. Yesterday it's now 4.21. Look at that. The growth in the chain is absolutely phenomenal. Here we go. Right. Global hash rate 7 days. Global hash rate 24 hours. Coolcoin BTC. Other miners 2% on that. Come on, CoinDance. Come on. B crash. Oh, look at that. Other miners are now mining 60.1% of that just to keep the profitability in check. That's really quite funny. So it's a 0.8% more profitable to mine on BTC. Good grief. That's really quite funny. Fisher Price cash. I just can't be bothered with that. But oh, Bitcoin. Look at that. Still looking evenly spread. Looking very good. Very healthy indeed. Very healthy indeed. Loving that. Alright, so if you're a newbie and you're wondering how the hash rate is supplied, let me show you these mining farms. Oh, I was just going to show you the mining farms then. Never mind. I think I've just gone past that picture. There we go. Got it. Got it. Beautiful. This is what the mining farms look like. This is the backbone to the new global financial system. The world's first ever commercial internet. Blows my mind every time. Sensational stuff. Right, let's have a look at BitInfo chart. So we're at Bitcoin now with 22.3% of the overall transactions on the entire crypto market. Closing in on Ethereum, and remember XRP is just a centralized spreadsheet. Absolutely ridiculous, and they're already maxed out. Whereas like Bitcoin will literally eat that entire pie. Loving that. Chainalytics, here we go. Block size, where are we now? 120. Core coin 1.5, just over 1%. Of Bitcoin. What a joke. Remember, these other protocols are security offerings. They're absolutely worthless. Coin carbon cap. Again, look, the figures on BSV are so efficient. They just simply have to put question marks there because they're just like, is this serious? Are you real about this? Yes, indeed. Bitcoin smashes all this lot out of the park. Look at that. Median transactions fee, 0.0009. Like, sensational stuff. Sensational stuff. Let's have a look at scaling test network then. Yep, figure's still the same. BSV data. Let's have a look at MetaID producing 6.3 gigabytes. Applications. Where is Crypto Fights today? Daily transact. Oh, it's crikey. So this is now 109,000. I've been watching this. So first of all, it was like 68. Then it was 78. Then it was like 90. Now it's 109,000 transactions over a 24-hour period. Come on, Crypto Fights. Absolutely sensational stuff. Brilliant stuff. Yeah, that's going to be another metric we'll keep a close eye on. Trends.cash, apps ranking by money spent. TDXP app and DXS macking it hard. Dirty traders can be unsullied on TDXP app, remember. Apps ranking by performed actions. Yep, that's Crypto Fights. Run and Crypto Fights, creating NFTs and all that. Very good. Crypto Quant. Let's have a look at all exchanges reserves. Yes, look at that. They are cashing out. Look at this price dump. Look at that. Look at that. 18,978. Oh my goodness me. We'll have a look at that in just a second. What's on chain? Here we go. So that's 508,000 petahashes. Just 734,000 transactions in the last 24 hours. Oh, wow. That's still a lot though. Still a huge amount compared to all these other shitcoins. Let's have a look at the BSV Whale wallet. Nope, still nothing's moved since the 11th of June. A huge wallet, that one. My goodness me. Morning run. So we've had 5,895 purchases over the last 24 hours. Seems a bit low, but never mind. What have we got next? I think I want to have a quick look at this one. There we go. Live coin watch. So here we are, $51,000 for 51. I'm talking about $51. Oh, the price has just come down on that one. Fantastic! Look at that. So see, that is value for money when the price of the genuine Bitcoin does that. Genuine value for money. Looking forward to seeing this. Where are we now on the list? We're at 44. Still at 44. That's all right. Let's have a look at the stable coins. Well, not the USD is stable, but look at that. We've got 3 stable coins in the top 6. That's hilarious. They just can't help themselves printing all of that shit. BUSD pumping BNB. Look at that. I remember when that coin was like 50 cents. Yeah, obviously, it would be nice feeling as though you're absolutely loaded now. I mean, like that increase is just absolutely insane. But again, it's in something that's economically worthless all the time. I remember looking at that coin. I mean, even $15. I remember when I was looking at it when it was down here. Look at that. price. There we go. Good grief. 46 cents. 46 cents. And it went up as high as that. Do you know what I mean? How many financial problems would that solve if you actually had that kind of money? Do you know what I mean? Look at that. $691 it went up to. Crikey. I mean, this just goes to show you how absurd the space really is. But again, they're all crashing to zero. They're all crashing to zero. The entire market is an absolute shit show. All right, let's have a look at let's have a look at Tether. Look at this. Look at this. So the people holding Tether have been cashing out. Look, and it's still nosediving. People are just like, yeah, don't trust this stuff. Don't like the market. People just fleeing, running for the exits. Like, oh my goodness me. And check this out. So it looks like Tether is actually starting to lose its peg as well. I mean, where are we now? It's so 99.8 cents. So it's still depegged from the dollar, but it's more the angle that we're looking at. It's on its way down. It's losing its peg. It is struggling. It is struggling. All right, let's have a look at the short positions then. So this is Bitcoin short positions flattening out. Let's have a look at Coin BTC. Oh, look at that dip. Look at that dip. Look, longs have gone up when the price goes down. What a joke. I mean, they'll be absolutely screwing. They've lost a shit ton of money there. CoinGecko, how are we feeling about Bitcoin today? 85% feeling good, feeling good. Let's have a look at Bittrex. Whoa, look at that. So the price has come down, but it's trying to break out. I mean, look at these green candles. It's gone as high as $75. And what's this one here? $78. That was back on the 3rd of June. So look at that. It's like a magnet trying to pull the price up, but you know, sort of, it's like whack-a-mole. We know the powers that be just they can't afford price discovery to kick in. That's why they're trying to suppress it. So this is Bitcoin versus BTC. Look at that. We will take that any day of the week. Winning. Here we go. So this is BTC USD. Look at that. It's just dropped off a cliff. It has literally just dropped off a cliff. When did that happen? Literally just now. 6:30 this morning. So like 4 hours ago. Oh dear, oh dear. Dear, oh dear. Don't say I didn't warn you. Coin BTC is an absolute piece of dog shit. Let's have a look at Coinbase Global. Oh, 85% down. It's still tanking. It is still tanking. MicroStrategy. Oh, it's recovered a little bit. 69% down from year to date. But I mean, it's still low. It's still low. Oh my goodness me. And Silverfish, we've got 1,075 views on that. Great stuff. Loving it. Right, we'll leave it there. Hope you enjoyed the show as ever. Be aware, take care, stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.